It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smart entry key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Experience it for yourself today.
When you buy from us, you become part of the Hersons Auto Group family. Stop in today on S Frederick Rd in Rockville, Maryland.